sour lifesaver gummy. Gummy, sour patch, sour watermelon shark.
Okay. Gonna try it out first. Which one you guys want to do first?
I want to do this. I'm doing this.
Should we do one at a time?
Let's do this one first.
Okay, do the sharks first.
And then this one last.
Okay. Okay, everybody get a shark?
No, it's not. I know sour.
How sour is that one? Level 1 through 5. 5 is the most sour. Very sweet. Okay, next.
Lifesaver sour gummy. Let's do this. Sour eggs. Sour eggs. I like that one.
Yummy. Okay.
My favorite. I would say one.
Okay.
Sour worms gummy. Sour worms gummies.
Sorry, gummy worm.
Hard. Hard, Mommy, it's hard.
It's hard?
I'll say one.
Okay.
Sour patch. Yeah. After we do the sour patch, right, Mommy? Ooh, that's a 20. No, one is fine. I give it a 3. I will give this a 4. Oh, actually a 5. Sour. Now warhead. This is actually, I don't have that. We're gonna fit it out. No, I'm gonna go. Mommy, this could, no, you can't do that. This could be sweet.
Yeah.
Mommy, this is hard. Nope, I can say it now. Wait, lift it up. Ow, it always starts.
I think you guys need help. Do you need help again?
I got it. I made it. Stop. No. Make a 5. 5. Oh, I'm doing this.
That's too sour for you? What do you think?
Make me
You
sour.
can have your mouth, Abby. Not sour for you. Sour, Judy? Oh, yo.
The blue's not sour. Well, I'm gonna keep it in your mouth.
Too sour? Keep it in your mouth, Cody.
That's
Leave it in there. Leave it in, close it. Alright, let's see your sour face.
Mine's just sweet.
Not sour. You tricked me. Alright, Cody, ready for you.
Oh, you need the sweet part.
Alright, come on, leave it in.
Okay, it's sweet. I think the other one is going to be sour. Well, actually, I took nothing.
Leave it in. Drop it. Give it a try. Drop it. Come on, you want the girls chicken you up? Alright, see the sour face. Swish it around. Swish it around. It's okay. See the sour face. Let's see it. Leave it in.
Oh. I don't want to eat sour candy.
Alright. All the candies.
I'm gonna get some more now.
Okay, I think it's time to wrap it up.